Hey everyone, it's Dominique here with Goodshuffle Pro's monthly product update. This month, we're rolling out 5 new updates. Let's jump in. First up, a feature that technically launched last month, but it was such a game changer, we had to spotlight it again. In case you missed it, you can now save any custom item as a permanent inventory item with a single click. You've already spent time perfecting the pricing descriptions and the specs of the item for a custom quote. Now, instead of rebuilding it each time, you just click and now it's a part of your inventory. That means faster quotes and cleaner inventory with less work. Plus, the revenue reporting and conflict tracking. Who doesn't love that? Next, we've expanded set-asides. So when you're tracking missing or damaged inventory after an event or while in your warehouse, you now have a way to stay on top of it. Here's what's new. First, when you create a set-aside, you can now see the reason so your team knows exactly what happened. Second, there's a brand new resolution view so you can see all of your outstanding set-asides in one place and resolve them efficiently. And third, you can link multiple set-asides to a single line item, which gives you more flexibility in tracking issues. This update is all about giving you more visibility and control after your events, especially when you want to track things on a more granular level. Moving on, my favorite update, the next time you go to download all your upcoming orders for the weekend, in addition to PDF, you'll see the new option to download your aggregate pull sheet in Excel, giving you more flexibility on how you view and organize your inventory across multiple events. Next up, the Dispatch Route Planner just got an upgrade, a new route details side panel. You'll click the pencil icon and get a clean overview on any route that you've had planned. You'll be able to edit route details, see inventory, view stops, and even unschedule an entire route. You can even move the route to a whole other vehicle. And finally, remember the Goodshuffle Marketplace? We've completely rebuilt it from the ground up. If you don't already know about the Marketplace, it's the website where potential customers can browse inventory from companies utilizing Goodshuffle Pro. It's essentially free marketing for your business, and who wouldn't want that? We've made it faster for your clients to be able to find what they're looking for. We've added enhanced search capabilities so they can simply describe what they need or upload an image. And this is just the beginning. We've got so much more coming to the marketplace in the months ahead. And that's it. 5 updates designed to save you time, give you more control, and reach more clients. If you're already using Goodshuffle Pro, check these new features out in your account. And if you're not yet using Goodshuffle Pro, book some time with us to get started so you can check out these new features yourself. Thanks, and I'll see you next month.